And I have a thick pen and a thin pen. I'll start at the bottom with the trunk. Oh, this is nice. I like the roughness of this paper. With any tree, it's always good to make one side sweep one way and this one go the other way. And I just fill it in. Remember, this is ink and wash. Put a couple little root marks like that. There we go. Off. I'm still using my thick pen. I like to go, stop, start. Notice how the pen bleeds a bit, leaves these little bumps, which I like. This one's going to swing around. Stop, let it bleed a bit. Stop, let it bleed a bit. Then make it wind-blown with a little swivel. I love doing this because if you do it 3 or 4 times, you'll develop your own little tree, which is very, very traditional in this type of artwork. Next, we're going to bring it up the middle. Now, this part's going to be a little skinnier than this part, because as the tree grows up, it gets a little skinnier. Let's put a couple broken branches there. And now we're going to break off into 3. See? 1, 2, 3. So I like that stop-start technique. Start it, stop, start it, stop, and then just let it flick out. Look at that beautiful roughness on this paper. I think I'll add a little bit to that one, just on the edge. I did it there. Start to appreciate some of the little things you do. Now, I'm going to thicken it a little bit here, see? I'm still using a fairly fat marker from Le Pen. Okay, where am I now? I did this one. I'm going to do this one. You know, they're never going to be the same. So this one here, I come up. Oh, let's just leave it there. Oh, well, okay, we'll add one more. Stop, sweep. Notice they're not all ending at the same place. Okay, we'll try another one over here. This one is the bendy side. Stop, down, sweep. See, now I'm getting in the flow. Stop, down, sweep. Where am I? I'm about up here, wouldn't you say? Okay. Oh, let's put the flat ones on the top. Up a bit, sweep. Oh, well, okay, that's okay. Sweep, there we go. I think I'll add a little curve there. Oh, you see, that helped. That little curve made the difference. And I'm going to come up from here, and one more here. There we go. I like that. And now if I want to fatten it in a few places, I can. And there we go. Maybe a couple little dots for sand or rocks. And actually, I can probably make this. Oh, look at all the room I have over here. I could probably make this and use this motif. A motif is kind of a little thing that you sort of repeat. A repeating motif. Now I take my fine pen. Now if you wanted, you could have used a fine pen and drawn the whole thing, put a little bark texture in, but I'm just going to add some little pine needles here and there, see? On the tips. This is like a bonsai tree. You'll get them in, I believe, either Southern California or Northern California. Oh, and there's the bristlecone pine in the high Sierras, and of course in China and Russia and Canada. Up north, the trees are stunted by wind and cold. Little branches like that, see? Little stunted branches. I like that. I don't think I'll add anything there. And I think that's pretty good. You know, you could put a little bird in there if you wanted. Okay, there's our tree. I take a look at it. Thick here, getting thinner, good. I think everything's good there. I'm liking that. And that will work in our next stage, which is to draw the landscape and put the tree into it. Okay?